Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to factory reset a NordicTrack treadmill. First, make sure the treadmill is plugged into a power outlet. Confirm that the safety key is inserted into the console before you begin. This will keep the treadmill safe while you work. Most NordicTrack treadmills have a small reset button hidden in a tiny hole on the side or back of the console. You may need a thin object like a paperclip to press this button. With the treadmill powered on, gently insert your paperclip into the reset hole. Press and hold the button inside for about 10 seconds. You should see the screen go blank and then restart. This is your sign that the reset is working. If your model does not have a reset hole, you can try a soft reset by pressing and holding both the speed increase button and the stop button at the same time for several seconds until the console reboots. Another method to reset your treadmill is to turn off the power switch at the base of the machine, wait at least 30 seconds, then turn it back on. This power cycle can clear simple errors. Thanks for watching.